Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to another learning lessons in my Physio-Pulse channels. Today we will discuss about the regulations and importance of the Cori cycles in a simple, easy to understand way. You will find clear explanations and important concepts here. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Now let's understand about the regulations and importance of the Cori cycle. Already we have discussed that the steps of the Cori cycle in our part 1 lessons and what are the energy and how much amount of ATP used in the Cori cycle we already discussed. Now to see the regulation of Cori cycle, and that lactic acid is an essential part in the body that helps to control the blood glucose levels and provides energy during the intense situation. So in this cycle must be tightly regulated by the internal as well as external factors. So there are some important external factors like exercise intensity, nutrition intake, and internal factors like the hormonal control, oxygen, glucose availability. So we'll discuss one by one. Hormonal regulation means the hormones like the insulin, glucagon, all are the pancreatic hormones, and adrenaline, which helps in to regulate the Cori cycle. Adrenaline is a stress hormone that promotes the release of glucose on the bloodstream from the liver cell. Glucagon prevents the blood glucose level from the dropping lower than the average blood sugar level. So in the case of the Cori cycle, glucagon also promotes the release of glucose in the blood. Insulin helps uptake of glucose from the blood into the targeted cells. Number 2, regulation due to the exercise intensity. The higher the power, the more energy is required. So the higher the exercise intensity, the higher is the number of the Cori cycles. Number 3, nutritional intake. High carbohydrate diet enhances and promotes the steps of Cori cycle. Likewise, the higher the amount of lipid and protein in the diet, the less chance of Cori cycle occurrence. Availability of the oxygen. If the oxygen is unavailable in the muscles during the anaerobic condition, it triggers the formation of lactic acid in the cell. So lactate accumulation, lactate acts as a substrate for the Cori cycle, and once oxygen is available, the Cori cycle is halted. The glucose availability, and once glucose level in the blood drops, the Cori cycle availability, which helps increase in the blood glucose level. Whereas once blood glucose level increases and uptake by the required cells is complete, the Cori cycle stops. Now we will discuss about the importance of the lactic acid cycle or Cori cycle. The lactic acid cycle is crucial mechanism helps to adapt the body to various energy demands. It ensures a steady supply of glucose in cells even during a temporary shortage of oxygen. It is the most essential role in lactic acid cycle. Let us discuss the importance of the Cori cycle in human body. Number 1, prevent the acidosis in the muscles. Acidosis is the accumulation of acid in the cells. In the case of muscle cells, lactic acid or lactate accumulates in the absence of oxygen, causing the muscle cramps, nausea, weakness. It is usually can happen during the exercise, and activation of Cori cycle helps to prevent the acidosis. Number 2, increased exercise intensity. Exercise demands a high amount of energy without oxygen. The Cori cycle can help increase glucose level in the blood by utilizing the lactate from the muscles. The glucose helps increase power, which helps in increasing the intensity of the exercise. Number 3, maintain glucose level and energy during the stressful times. Cori cycle helps to maintain the level of glucose and vitality of during the stressful time, not only to the exercise but also the mental stress. So it is also an essential process during the flight or fight responses. So these are all about the specifically these are all about the importance of the lactic acid cycle. One important thing I want to highlight here: clinical significance. Impaired liver function can reduce the efficiency of the Cori cycle, leading to elevated blood lactate level. And lastly, the Cori cycle plays a role in condition involving intense exercise, shock, and hypoxia, and certain metabolic disorders. So, dear students, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any other next biological lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next class. Thank you.